taking into account the recent volatility that we have seen late last week and in particular on Monday, we are reminded by the fact that the same Governor Ushida, Deputy Governor Ushida, also basically declared victory against inflation in an earlier speech this year, suggesting basically that monetary policy normalization is forthcoming, i.e., interest rate hikes are forthcoming. So we wouldn't overvalue these comments. We actually think that monetary policy normalization in Japan is likely to continue.
What about China? Because we did see the trade balance crossing in the last hour or so, the trade surplus narrowing, certainly an underwhelming start to the third quarter. Do you think it's really just same old story and waiting for policy support?
Yes, domestic demand certainly remains under pressure. We see consumer confidence remaining extremely weak. We had seen earlier this week that services PMIs, for instance, remain on the weakish side, suggesting that domestic demand is still suffering. The Achilles heel clearly in China remains the real estate sector. That does have some impact. Deflationary fears also are not ebbing away. So these are serious challenges. We think more monetary policy easing from the PBOC is forthcoming, but also certainly more fiscal stimulus is likely to forthcome, especially given that the government recently confirmed its 5% GDP growth target after the weakish Q2 number. More needs to be done in order to get to the 5% target.